What are some of the considerations? Clearly drafted policies brought to the attention of all employees and reviewed periodically. Some of the questions to touch on is what's being collected, what's permissible, what's not, what's done with the data. Is it routine or not routine access to the data being collected? Consistent enforcement is important, and when it comes to locational monitoring, continuous monitoring is probably not permissible except under exceptional circumstances.
We've covered a bunch of topics around the privacy of employees, but we also want to focus on and not lose sight of the obligations that employees have to maintain privacy. So it's sort of privacy by the employee, and just something to hold in the back of your mind around this is the reason we care as employers when we have our employer hat on is that employers are going to be liable for the acts of the employees as long as those wrongful acts are in the course of employment. That's a risk that we are always alive to.